You'll recognize it, I think.
I'm Yuchen Dai. I'm a first-year medicine resident at the University of Toronto. I'm based here at St. Michael's Hospital. Today we thought we would schedule in some music for some of our patients that's been with us. So we went door to door for our patients on our unit and played some music for them. And I think it was lots of fun for me, and I hope they enjoyed it as well. Originally, I wanted to play the piano when I was 6 or 7, but we were just immigrating to Canada at the time. So Mom said pick something more portable. So I chose the violin, and I've loved this since. I studied it for undergrad, and then I went to med school in Ottawa, and then now here for residency. Music heals, like, at its core. It's difficult for family to come and always stay at the bedside with them. Just even a couple of minutes of music and sort of having that almost like stimulus in the room with them. A lot of them were clapping along and smiling, which I always love to see, and it makes me happy as well.